Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the autosave passwords feature in the Pale Moon browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to the Pale Moon browser. And there are two ways how you can disable that autosave feature. Option number one, you navigate to the Pale Moon menu in the top left. Then you navigate to Preferences and choose Preferences here. In your browser settings, switch from the General tab to the Security tab. And here under Passwords, make sure that you disable Remember Passwords for Sites. You can also add exceptions to that rule if you like. Confirm by clicking into OK here. Option number two, you navigate to the Permissions tab. To do that, click again into that Pale Moon menu. This time though, click into Permissions here. Here in your Permissions Manager, set the default rule for example, for these passwords. So what you want to do is click into the drop-down menu and make sure that block is selected. You can also manage your passwords that have already been saved from here and apply one of these rules, allow a block from there, but you can set a general rule here, and that's the second option, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.